Starbucks.
We're heading to Flagler Beach now. Bye for now, St. Augustine City, the oldest city of the United States. And it was a fun hop-on and hop-off tour that I just did. And I'm here again with Eric and Diana. Thank you for picking me up.
Starbucks first.
And we're going to the beach for today with the kids.
Walmart. Oh, tomorrow's his birthday.
It's so good that I get to be here to celebrate John's birthday. I can see the Atlantic Ocean.
Yep.
Hello, Atlantic Ocean. Hello, it's 5:06 in the afternoon, and right now we're here in Flagler Beach, Florida.
People told him to get going. Lifeguard.
And she says this is cold. It is not cold. It's freaking hot. It's freaking warm. So the storm is coming over there. It's coming towards us. But Roselle still wants to swim in Flagler Beach, Florida. Okay. Flagler. There's a storm coming. Oh. 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 It's very salty, diba? Yeah. Oh. Oh my God. Go further. Be careful of the sharks. Do you feel it getting?
Stronger even than there.
No, it's just stronger everywhere. Okay. Still wants to swim. And there's the cloud coming towards us. Yikes. You good? Okay.
Cold now. Storm cloud that I have ever seen in my life. Like, no blockade. Here, come to me.
She still wants to go in the ocean. Watch out for sharks and jellyfish. Yikes. Ooh. Oh, it's thunderstorming. Let's go, thunderstorm. I don't want to be fried fish.
That was a fun, quick swim here in Flagler's Beach in Florida. And the clouds is really looking scary now. So we have to go home. Ah, look at the clouds, the storm clouds. So that's it for today. We're going home. It's 5:44 in the evening. Right there, it's already raining. Here it's a bit brighter. That's all for today. Okay, bye.